such.
Community leaders from Sakhoi Kuna Umdap and nearby villages in Bhoi district have filed a complaint with the Public Works Department in Nongpo, protesting the abandonment of a 5-kilometer road project under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana scheme. The road, intended to connect several villages including Paham Maulen and Sakhoi Kuna, was left incomplete by contractor after dismantling the old road, causing significant disruption to local residents, especially farmers and school children. Led by Lawrence Nongrum, the Joint Action Committee has given the contractor a 1-week deadline to resume construction or face further action.
Ikalong bangin aipor ya o kontraktor hapo si tayaw ban sedang ban pentreno ya katay ke project. Bat uhap ban pendep ya katay ke project haswa umas hajar arpusan. Bat ngilapanru na ka office ya ka DPR ka detail project report. Bakum kinong penyai snong bangiru ngila ban page ban kemi ban budin ya katay ke kam.
The NHM employees